Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So you saw my cute little skull hand clip in my hair. This is going to be an emoji Halloween makeup tutorial. Right now I'm using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics and using the 3 yellow shades that I pointed to on both of my lids, basically just to make them both yellow. Ain't she cute? So now I'll be taking a Jeffree Star liquid lip on my eyes. I'm going to be using that as eyeliner. Make sure if you use any products that don't say they're for certain parts of your body that you make sure you check online or figure it out, because Jeffree Star's liquid lips you can use as eyeliner. It's safe, so you want to make sure that if you're going to use anything like that, like a liquid lip as eyeliner on your eyes or anything like that, you want to make sure that it's safe before you do so, because it could cause irritation, but with his it does not. Look at that wing, it's so sharp. Now I'm going to do the other eye. I'm basically going to do the same exact thing, use the yellow liquid lipstick and do my eyeliner. So while doing your Halloween makeup, you might want to buy other brushes that aren't your normal brushes, so that if you do use products that are like kind of the Halloween actual makeup, not, you know, like the studio kind of makeup, not just like your actual makeup that you have at home, because you don't want to run your brushes. Just gonna basically, while I'm doing this, give you guys little tips about what you can do during the Halloween season, whether it be makeup related or not. So now I'm going to be using the LA Colors liquid eyeliner in shade black, and I'm going to be going over I'm going to be basically tracing the yellow eyeliner. And as you see, I messed up, but I'm not going to swipe it. I'm going to take a spoolie. Basically what you do is you wait for it to dry. It's basically like a makeup tip right now, that if you do get eyeliner on your lid, you wait for it to dry and you take a spoolie and scrape it off, and then you don't mess up your eye look. So I'm basically just going to repeat on the other side. So when doing these looks, any makeup look you do, whether it be Halloween or not, you want to make sure that you use setting spray to make sure that it stays on all day long. And especially if you're going to be going to like some kind of Halloween party where you're going to be partying all night and sweating and all that junk, you might want to make sure that you use setting spray to keep it on. So I basically just use my little mirror to dry my eyeliner, and now I'm going to take the black shade in the palette and put that on the lower lash line. So another really important tip is you want to make sure you practice your Halloween looks before you go out to either your Halloween party or out for the actual Halloween night. So don't get discouraged if you don't get it the first few times. You want to make sure you practice. Practice makes perfect, so practice the look a few times and then you'll be ready for Halloween. So now I'm taking that same yellow liquid lip and putting it on my actual lips, because now comes the fun part where I'm going to draw the emoji on my lips. I knew you guys weren't expecting that, but that's what we're going to do. I did it a few years ago during Halloween season, and it was really cute and everybody loved it. So now I'm taking a red liquid lip from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's in the shade Red Rum, and I'm basically drawing the hearts of the eyes on the heart emoji. So that's the emoji that I'm going to do, is the heart eyes emoji. So I'm using the red liquid lip to make the heart eyes. So to draw the mouth, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Matte Liquid Lip in shade Widow's Peak. I'm basically using that to draw the mouth. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below. Make sure you check the description box for more information about the video and for my social medias. They are at GlamGirl Gray. I hope you enjoyed the Halloween look, and I hope you find these tips that I suggested helpful also. See you next time.